I might have just f***ed completely up. Oh my gosh. So I promised y'all like reality style content, and this is what I'm going to do. And I'm going to do some other, videos as well, but I'm just going to be myself and, just really not really care what any other YouTuber thinks or anyone else. So this video is going to be kind of crazy. I don't know. Scaling up eBay is super stressful, and I'm going to show you why right freaking now. Like, it's crazy. So we got to go pick the kids up. It's Saturday, and they have play practice because they're in a play. So we got to go pick them up. And we're going to get into more of this video. We're going to go pick them up right now. Hammy, we got to lock the door first. Usually I'm blaring some loud ass music in here, but since I'm doing a video, I'm not going to do that. We have to go and pick them up here in a few seconds, like 2 o'clock. And I got to run them home to my wife and come back to the store and work. But this video is going to be about like scaling up your business, and man, I just did something super crazy, and it might be stupid. I don't know. You all will have to tell me if you think it's stupid or not, because I think I'm pretty stupid. But I think this is a good move. I don't know. So tell me in the comments what you all think. The prices I got, I'm going to show you like some screenshots. Just bear with me, all right? Just bear with me. So I basically online arbitraged a whole freaking warehouse, and I'm gonna explain this in this video because this is probably, I don't know if it's the stupidest thing I've done or maybe the smartest. So I'm waiting on my kids right now. Hold on, here they come. They have play practice today, and they are they did not want to come. It's a Saturday, but they're in this play at school, and both my kids are in junior high. So here they come. Oh, hold on. How was play practice?
Quit videoing me.
How was play practice?
Stop videoing me.
Get in the car. All right, so I gotta finish recording this before I go back into the warehouse. This segment. So everything's like inflating, right? And I'm gonna tell y'all, I use for my inventory system for Amazon and eBay, and I'm gonna be doing more merchant fulfilled on Amazon as well. I use totes, and I am turning 35 in July, and I am getting super sick of lifting them, like super fed up. So I called so I went online and I Googled, and I'm like, the cheapest way is maybe to find a company that does use factory shelving, and I found 24 inches in depth was what I was looking for, right, for shelving. That was the money shot, 24 inches in depth. And so I wanted 40 of them, and I'm like, okay, quote me. And they came back with a quote of $6,000 and $2,000-ish in freight. And my freaking mind exploded because they gave me a serious headache because I have to have these shelving. I ordered boxes, so I ordered 26 by 8 by 8s and 26 by 10 by 10s. They're gonna fit on there perfectly, but I couldn't get the shelving. So after looking for weeks for shelving, and I couldn't find any, I finally found 2 heavy-duty shelves at Sam's Club. Well, so I bought them. They were $179, and Costco raised theirs to over $239, and I'm like, oh, these are a good deal. I bought 2 of them, and I use my Sam's Club MasterCard. I get 3% cash back on every sale. Literally, or not every sale, literally everything I buy, I get 3% cash back on in Sam's Club. And so I bought the 2 shelves for $179 a piece, and I put them in my van. They're still in my freaking van. And then I came back to my warehouse and I was stressing out. I'm like, man, where am I going to find all this shelving? Like, my goal was the whole room I have with totes, I am going to completely put shelving all in there. There's going to be no totes, and the room I had stacked full of inventory, that's all going to be shelving. And the other room is going to be shelving. I'm going to have 3 rooms of shelving. And I needed a lot of shelving. So I got the 2 shelves. And then I started thinking. I'm like, wait a minute. I'm intently thinking this economy's getting really bad. My goal, since I have this warehouse, is I have to pound out eBay listings. I have to list a lot. I have to send a lot into Amazon. I do have some overhead. The goal is I needed cheap shelving, so I looked at auctions. I looked at government auctions. I scoured the country. And then I'm like, well, I found those 2 big shelves at sClub. I'm just going to look. I need 24 inches in depth. That's what I need. So I just typed in shelving unit on the sClub app. And when I typed it up, there was a shelving unit that actually popped up. And I had to scroll through like a lot to find it. I mean, it wasn't easy to find, right? So as I was scrolling through the sClub website, I seen a metal shelf that was 24 inches in depth and rated for like, I think 8,000 to 10,000 pounds. And they are currently out of stock because they were $69.98. And I bought 55 of them. So 55 of them are getting shipped here Monday. So I immediately texted my UPS driver because I just didn't think they were going to fulfill the order. I didn't think they were going to do it. I ordered 55 of them. The order went through. They didn't charge my card. And then yesterday, which is Friday, they all showed shipped, confirmed shipped through UPS, all 55. And I immediately texted my driver. I'm like, listen, this is what's going on. Like, I'm so sorry. I will help you on Monday. So I online arbitrage an entire freaking warehouse for like $3,000. Like, so then the best thing is all the totes that I have back there, Home Depot is sold out at $22 a tote. So I'm just going to list those all on Facebook Marketplace for $15 a piece. And I have over 100 of them. And I'm going to make $2,000. And I'm going to pay most of the shelving off through selling all my totes. Wow. I don't know how this is going to work out, but we will see. Listen, I appreciate you watching this video and stay tuned. I have to go and list all of this stuff. There's probably like, I don't know, 100 and some items here today. That's my listing for today. I have to list all of this because these shelves are coming Monday. And I have to clear out this room as much as possible this weekend. So like, share, and subscribe. And, well, I guess we're going to see each other on Monday.